الرحمن الرحيم.
Look at the absolute stable flight performance of E-Sky Eagles. It's definitely your best friend for learning to fly RC airplanes. Sweet! Look at this scream and go. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Ali Shanmal here. It's good to be out today. We have the E-Sky Eagles RC airplane. I posted a post about it that this is going to be beginner's best friend, because when you want to learn to fly RC airplanes, the first thing that I always tell people is to get an RC airplane with upwing layout, upwing trainer. And this is what it is. It is an upwing RC airplane with a pusher profile. This makes it one of the best beginners RC airplane or trainer RC airplane. One more key feature that beginners should actually practice, or one more skill they should develop, is to take off from ground and land. For that, you need to have an RC plane with a tough landing gear. And E-Sky Eagles does have a tough landing gear down here with big wheels that you can even land it on the grass, concrete. So basically, if you have a level floor, you can easily land it or take off using this landing gear. If you have RC field with grass, this is one of the best things for you to take off and land. Now, before we fly it, one last thing that you really want to know about this plane, and that is one of the key features of this plane, is that you can take apart the wing very easily. Just 3 screws, take the wing up and take it apart. And also, if you look at the back, which I'm actually worried about, but I'm sure it will not come out. At the back, you can just simply pull the horizontal stabilizers or elevator out, and basically this whole rod can come out, and you can store and carry the plane easily if you do not have a big car or you do not have much space in the car. So basically, this is also one of the key features of this plane. Now, it says fly it with 2200 milliamp battery. I do not have one. I have a 2600 milliamp, which should fit and balance the CG properly. I'll give it a flight and see how it goes. For now, I have set it up with the AT10-2 radio control system, so we will be testing the radio control as well at the same time. Let's get it ready and let's fly it. So, I'm using the AT10-2 radio for the very first time, and this is a maiden flight. Let's see how it goes. So, taxi, that's one of the fun skills you need to develop. That is taxiing. Any airplane that can taxi for beginners is one of the best planes. Alright, we'll take off at the right side because, I don't know, I feel that wind is from there. Anyway, I'll punch the throttle. Here we go. Look at the throttle, the amount of throttle it took to actually take off. But now I am at half throttle and I can cruise it. First off, the AT10-2 feels really nice and locked. Very precise controls. And second, look at the absolute stable flight performance of E-Sky Eagles. It's definitely your best friend for learning to fly RC airplanes. I even didn't touch any kind of trims yet. The plane came just like this. I did not touch any trims, I did not touch any settings. It's just perfectly set up right from the box. Right outside the box, it's flying like that. I need a little bit of up trim on the elevator, I believe. And that's because I'm running a heavy battery in the nose. Maybe I'll leave it this way for now. It's a screamer. I'll leave it this way for now and just try to fly it. And later I have two 1500 milliamp batteries which I'll put in, and they are very, very lightweight. I believe that should be fine. Then after that we'll set the trims. Sweet! Look at this scream and go. Rudder response is awesome on this. Look at that. I'm gonna turn right. I'm gonna turn right. I'm gonna turn left, making a pattern 8. Man, this has some power. Does take much throttle. Maybe setting up a throttle curve will be a good thing on this. Beautiful flyer, absolutely a beautiful flyer. Imagine the stability on this flight. If you install a stabilizer system like an autopilot, BGL, BGL6G or anything like that, this thing will fly definitely like, you know, itself. You just have to steer it around. Gliding and coming for the landing.
I will get
No,
it.
no, don't go get it. We are doing touch and go. So, I need to sit down. My right leg is getting really tired. I'm gonna put it to glide and land.
Here, you can sit.
Thank you. One moment. Pilot is landing. Absolutely beautiful. What an amazing RC plane. Watch my plane truck, please. There you go. This is your perfect beginner's RC plane.
Can I take a picture?
Okay, mommy, take a picture for them. I wanted to see how it feels like while flying sitting. I seldom fly RC airplanes while I sit. Almost every time I'm standing up, but this time I have no choice. My legs are getting tired. Shouldn't make any difference. Hey, it's actually more comfortable to fly while sit down. Now we have wind, so I can turn around and glide it. Wow, man, look at this gliding performance. I'll save some battery for FPV flight. I do have a all-in-one FPV system. So let's see how it lands with the winds. Man, that's the thing. You gotta love that strong, big landing gear down there with big wheels. Superb. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.